Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I was looking to bring all of the seasonal scents into my home, and I am in love with these farm-raised candle soy wax melts. They work so well, and I'm really impressed by the scent and how well that they burn. These are all made of soy, and you really just get that nice fresh scent while they're burning. It smells clean, it's very lightly scented, but enough so that it really feels like it warms up the whole home. I really love all of the different scents that came in this pack. So this is the hot apple cider. It came with warm butterscotch, pumpkin spice, the vanilla cream pie, and it also came with pumpkin spice latte. So all of them just really smell so wonderful. They're all clear wax melts. All you have to do is break one off and then put it right into your tart warmer. And as I mentioned, they burn super well. They burn slowly, and then when you go to reuse them again, they smell just as well. I've been reusing mine, and I haven't added any extra, so I know that this 5-pack will last for quite some time. If you're looking to add some really fresh, warm scents into your home without feeling like it's just full of weird or maybe processed smells, you're going to love these tarts. I am really impressed by how easy that they melt and by the wonderful scents. And that's my point of view.